Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Brown color, brown color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color, red color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use blue color, blue color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. And again use blue color, blue color. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use brown color, brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And again use brown color, brown color. It's neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use green color, green color. Kids neither L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. It's neither N. N for nest, N for nose. The alphabets of N. And again use yellow color, yellow color. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use blue color. Blue color. It's neither R. R for rose, R for rice. And again use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of R. It's neither S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use brown color. Brown color. It's again use brown color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids neither V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw W. W for wool. The alphabets of W. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Kids lastly draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. And again use green color. Green color. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wool, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.